Presentation software and special effects. Microsoft PowerPoint is a powerful presentation tool. It helps us to communicate our views and ideas effectively by hiding text, diagrams, photos, charts, clip art, sound, colors, design, and animation. Special effects. In the previous class, you have learned how to create slides in PowerPoint 2010 and add text and pictures in a slide. In this chapter, you will learn how to format text and work with themes to enhance the quality of slides. In Microsoft PowerPoint, one can create a presentation in two ways: blank presentation, sample presentation. Templates give an entire foundation to build a presentation quickly and easily. PowerPoint 2010 template include a simple slide shown that contain various themes and layouts. One can modify the text and design of a template, add pictures, sound, company's logo, and can also delete the extracting content from the template. Build in template. After opening the Microsoft PowerPoint 2010, click on the File tab, New option. Under the available template and theme, select the sample template. Select Introduction PowerPoint 2010 from displayed list. Click on the Create button. The selected template opens as a new presentation. This new presentation contains 20 slides in instruction, different slides layout, background, themes, etc. Now add text in the placeholder of each slide and view the slide shown, enhancing the look of a presentation. Create a new presentation by using the blank presentation and enter the text as shown in the feature 5.3. Select the text and click on the font group down list in the font group on the Home tab. Select any font. The font of the selected text gets changed. See friends, this is the figure 5.3, feature 5.3. You can change the font size by clicking on the drop down arrow next to the font size button in the font group and select the desired size. Select the text and click on the increase font size button. This one, the font size button. To increase the size, clicking again will future increase the size. To decrease the font size, click on the decrease font size button. Clicking again will future reduce the size. Selecting the text and click on the text shadow button. To give shadows effect, click again will remove the shadow effect. Painting button. In the clipboard group on the Home tab, hold down the mouse and drag over the text on which you want to apply the format effect and release the mouse button. Special flying Arguments. Arguments refers to the placement of text on a slide. One can set the arguments of the text either before or after entering the text. An argument of the text can be educated in two ways, either horizontal or vertical. Vertical argument. Select the text. Click on the drop down arrow of the argument text button. On the Home tab in the paragraph group, select the desired option, top, middle, bottom from the menu that opens up. Horizontal argument. You can argument the text horizontally by selecting the text and choosing any one of the desired option like argument text left, center, argument text right, gestif available in the paragraph group. On the Home tab, specifying line spacing. Select the text, click on the line spacing button in the paragraph group on the Home tab. A list of options will appear. Choose the desired spacing. Applying themes. Themes are the sets of percent format that include text, layout, background, scenes, etc. that can be applied to any presentation to give it a professional look. Click on the Design tab under the Themes group. Scroll the mouse over the available thumbnails of themes, or to view more themes, click on the More drop-down menu at the bottom right of the theme group. This will open the themes gallery. Select the designed theme type. You will get the selected theme on the slide. Let's know more. To file color in a shape object, select any shape object. Click on the shape file button in the drawing group on the Home tab. Select any color you choose and see the change. Tips. You can also select the themes type from the File tab. New Themes option is the available templates and theme section. Changing color themes. Every presentation comes with color themes. You can change the color themes of the complete presentation or a single slide. The colors of specific templates on a slide, such as title and the background, can also be changed. Let's know more. You can select more than one shape object by holding the Shift key and clicking on the required object. Opening any slide of a presentation. Click on the Design tab. You will find a gallery of different themes in the Themes group. Preview the effects of any theme before selecting it for your slide by hovering the mouse over it. Right click on the selected theme. A shortcut menu appears. Select the set. Select the set as default theme option. The themes will be appeared to all the slides. Click Click on the color button and select the designed color scheme from the drop down list. To apply the color themes to all the slides, right click on the color themes and select the apply to all slide option. In case you want to apply the color themes only to the selected slide, select the option apply to selected slide. Changing background color. You can change the background color, pattern and texture of a slide. To change the background color, click on the background style button present in the background group on the design tab. A list of options will be displayed. As you move the mouse over a background style, it is reflected on the slide. Select the required background. Click on the Format Group Down option of the Background Style button. The Format Background dialog box will appear. Click on the File tab and select any file style option. Click on the color drop down arrow. If you want to select different color appears from the displayed color, select the more color option from the list. The color dialog box appears as shown in the feature 5.9. Click on the standard tab and choose the color you want. You can also select the custom tab and create your own color schemes. Click OK. See friends, this is the feature 5.9 standard color themes. You will be directed to the format background dialog box on the screen. Click on the apply to all button to apply the color schemes to all the slides. Click on the close button to close the dialog box. Inserting various objects in a slide. Inserting text box. Something you may want to add more text than the area provided for entering text. The text box tools present on the Insert tab gives the facility to add more text to your slide. Text box is a placeholder where you can enter and manipulate the text. You can move the text box along with its contents anywhere on the slide. Click on the new slide button in the slide group on the home tab. On the home tab, enter the title activities of the month. Click on the click to add submit placeholder in slide. Type Jude Championship cricket match. Yoli ball just as shown in the feature 5.10. Select text box tool in the text group on the Insert tab. Hold down the left mouse button while dragging the mouse diagonally towards right and release the mouse button. You will get a rectangular box with the cursor inside it. Enter the text January. Inserting work guard. The work art feature helps you to create special text effects. It gives an uncue looks to the text using the word art. You can make the text covered, wave, shadowed, apply 3D effects, etc. On the insert tab, click on the word art button. In the text group, the group down menu of word art gallery opens up on the screen as shown in the feature 5.11. Select any word art style. Replace text with your own text and type caps in the placeholder and select these texts. Click on the text file drop down arrow on the format tab in the word style group. Select the desired color and observe the change. Click on the text outline group down arrow. Choose the desired outline color from the displayed list. Now click on the text effect drop down arrow, point to the glow option and select the desired effect from the glow vertically selection. You will find a beautiful change in the text. Sieve kits. Inserting clip art. The clip art feature is used to add pictures to the slides to enhance its appearance and make it more informative. Place the cursor where you want to insert the picture. Select the insert tab. Click on the clip art button in the images group. The clip art tags pane is displayed on the right side of the window. Clip art button. Friends, this is the button where we will press it. We will go to in this. You have to click computer, then go. The pictures will come. If we click anything, that picture will go in your presentation. The picture will come in your presentation. Type the keyword to the search in the search for text box. For example, type computer in the search for text box and click on the go button. It will display the list of clip art images related to computer. Click on the down arrow next to the picture to be added and click on the insert button. The selected clip art will be inserted in the center of the slide. You can release or change the location of clip art according to the requirement. Inserting shapes. Shapes is a drawing feature that helps in inserting different shapes into a slide. Shapes can be realized, rotated, flipped, and colored too. Click on the shape button in the illustration group on the insert tab. A pop-up menu will display options like lines, relatives, flow chart, etc. Point to the basic shape and move the pointer to selected smiley face and click on it. The pointer changes to press sign. Place the pointer on the slide and drag it to adjust the size of the selected object shape. Inserting pictures. Adding pictures to your document help you to illustrate the information in a better way. It It also enhances the appearance of your document. To insert a picture, click on the Insert tab. Select the picture button from the invitation group. The Insert Picture dialog box will appear. Select the image and click on the Insert button. The selected image will appear in your document. Format the image by selecting the desired option from the picture style group on the Format tab. This is the picture, friends. Inserting a chart. Chart is an effective way to display data in a graphical and pictorial form. Chart make it easier to show comparables growth relationship among the values and trend in data. Chart provides an accurate analysis of the information. When we insert a chart, the data is displayed in a special window called dashboard. A chart gets updated automatically with any change in data. To insert a chart on a slide, follow these steps. Click on the Layout button present on the Home tab and select Title and Contact Layout from the drop-down menu. Select the click to add title, placeholder and type monthly experience. Click on the Insert Chart icon on the slide. The Insert Chart dialog box appears. Select the chart type in the left panel. Subtype of the selected chart will be reflected on the right plan. Select the custard column chart under the column section and click OK. The chart will be displayed with a data sheet that contains the default data. This is the picture. We will post you second part. Bye bye friends.